Welcome back to another journey through basketball history. Today we dive into the legendary 1980s, a decade that changed the game forever. Get ready to witness the icons who shaped an era with unmatched vision and flair. Magic Johnson redefined the point guard role. From no-look passes to 5 NBA titles, he was the heart of the Showtime Lakers. His rivalry with Larry Bird captivated the world. The sharpshooter from Indiana, Larry Bird was a symbol of hustle, grit, and precision. With 3 MVPs and unforgettable clutch moments, he led the Celtics to greatness. His battles with Magic made NBA history. Isaiah Thomas, the fearless leader of the Detroit Pistons. With unmatched tenacity and quickness, he led the Bad Boys to back-to-back titles. A true giant in a small frame. Nicknamed Big Game James, Worthy was Showtime's silent killer. Known for rising in the clutch, he earned Finals MVP in 1988. Effortless speed, graceful power. The human highlight film, Dominique Wilkins, was poetry in motion. With soaring dunks and explosive scoring, he lit up the Atlanta Hawks. One of the greatest dunkers in history. The 1980s gave us basketball at its finest. Fierce rivalries, pure talent, unforgettable legends. Which icon amazed you the most? Subscribe for the next era and don't miss what's coming next.